In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a filter control in Google Data Studio. Google Data Studio is now called Looker Studio, but the process is the same. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a filter control to your report and configure it so viewers can interact with your data in a meaningful, user-friendly way. Start by opening your browser and searching for Looker Studio. Head to the home page, and you'll likely be signed in automatically with your Google account. If you aren't, simply sign in, and you'll land on your report's dashboard. From there, browse your list of reports and open the one you want to enhance. It helps to pick a report that already has a few charts or tables, so you can immediately see the effect of your filter. Once your report is open, switch to Edit mode. You'll see an editing toolbar across the top and a Properties panel on the right. This is where you'll add and configure your control. In the top toolbar, click Add a Control. A menu will appear with several filter types. A drop-down list is a great general choice for categorical fields like country or device type. A fixed-size list shows more values at once and can be useful when you want quick scanning. An input box lets users type to search a long list of values. A slider works well for numeric ranges, such as session duration. And a date range control allows viewers to adjust the time window for your report. Pick the control type that best matches the way you expect people to explore your data. After placing the control on your canvas, look to the Properties panel on the right and select the Setup tab. This is where you connect the control to your data. In the Control Field section, drag in the dimension you want to filter by. Examples include country, campaign, or device type. Choose a field that aligns with your charts so the filter affects them as expected. If your report uses multiple data sources, verify the control is tied to the correct one. You can optionally add a metric to sort the values in your filter. For example, sort by sessions or revenue, so the most important or most frequent values appear first. This small tweak can make the control much easier to use. When you're done, switch to View mode and test the filter to confirm it updates the right components. Adjust placement and sizing so it's visible and easy to reach, and you're all set.